What's going on? It's Liam here from the Toronto studio. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to talk about if email marketing works. And if it does work, what steps need to be taken to launch a successful email marketing campaign. Okay? So, does email marketing work? Do e-blasts work? Do they generate sales? Do they generate profit? Do they help businesses grow? And the answer is yes, but only if done correctly. If done incorrectly, it can harm your business. It can be seen as spam and you can lose countless customers. If done correctly, as part of a whole marketing ecosystem, it can be one of the most profitable forms of marketing. So what do I mean by that? Sure. Let's say you have a great website, right? You have a good website that's organized well, that's designed well, that has great or good content on it, written, video, and imagery. That's already one step. Fantastic. And it has a good e-commerce shop, right? Or buy now or something feature to generate sales. Okay, that's step one. That's already a good start. Number two, it has a targeted email list. So what do I mean by that? You've sent traffic to your website through a Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube ad, etc. And you've had them subscribe. You've had them subscribe using a pop-up or bar or something, and they have subscribed to your website. That's number two. They have knowingly and chosen to give you their information and become a lead. Number three, you have driven content-first approach. What do I mean content-first approach? You haven't just been shooting sales messages at them. All right? The more sales messages you shoot at your customers, the less they're going to want to open those emails. They're just going to see it as spam. Content-first approach means is you have a one newsletter a month dedicated to producing great content, YouTube tutorials, how-tos, images, photos, etc. Good, rich content. And then your second e-blast a month is a sale. So first e-blast is content. Second e-blast is sale driven. Okay? That's how it works. Okay, so those are the two starting points. Sorry, 3 starting points. Okay, you've done all that. The next thing you've done is you've designed a great email. Okay, you've designed a great e-blast. You haven't just slapped something together that looks cheap and just not unified with your website and your content. You have something well designed and well executed. Okay? Now, once you have done all those steps, I have seen e-blasts that generate as hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. So, if you were to ask me, does email marketing work? I would say absolutely. But it is one part of an overarching ecosystem that you do, and email marketing is just one piece of the puzzle. It's not something you jump into right away. It's something you build up to with patience, diligence, and focus. If you rush into it and create a spammy post, you will lose hundreds of subscribers on your emails. You will lose these leads. They will not trust your business. And everything, if you've watched any of our other videos, it's all about trust between you and your customer. Because no one will buy from someone that they do not trust. So you want to use these e-blasts to build trust between you and your customer more effectively and grow your business in a tangible, scalable way that doesn't damage infrastructure and doesn't damage your brand equity. And that is how a successful email marketing campaign is done. Okay? It's part of an ecosystem. Anyways, I'm Liam. I'm the chief creative here at the Toronto studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the content we're producing. Leave us a comment below. Ask us questions. We love to hear from you. And please hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much. Bye.